Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all staying safe. Today's Super 6 comprehension strategy is making connections. Good readers make connections by using what they already know to connect a text to their life experiences, another text, or the world. For this week, we've been learning about text to self. This means that we've been connecting the story to our lives and our experiences. This week we've read The Brothers Quibble by Aaron Blabey, and we've been trying to make text-to-self connections back to that story. Today I'm going to be explaining what our activity is that we're going to be doing. Spalding Quibble and Bunny Quibble are very different at the beginning of the story. After listening to the story The Brothers Quibble written by Aaron Blabey using the link from Monday, you need to write or type the similarities and differences between Spalding Quibble and Bunny Quibble. So on the lines below, you need to write what's similar between them, and then on the other part, you need to write what was different about them. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please ask your classroom teacher. Bye.